Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with, I believe, square icon or 3 bars icon, something like that. And then you will open the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on clear all, and basically that would be all, but unfortunately I did not tap on clear all. Alright, after tapping you will receive this information that your device simply released some memory. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.